Here.
Okay.
Here. I got another one. Don't worry about it. Yeah, you know what John Petrosky told me?
What?
I told him, you know, we hit with that big ball. He says, no. Just take him to the field. He says, give him some tennis balls. Yeah. Let him hit a tennis ball at you. Come on.
What? That is a...
Here.
Woohoo! I got my skills back.
Doesn't mean you lost them, pal.
No, I didn't. I didn't lose them.